Did you know Mumbai's longest underground tunnel is finally taking shape? Yes, this is the Thane side of the Thane-Borivali Twin Tunnel project. As of mid-June 2025, you can see massive excavation and machinery in action with more than 25 heavy machines and workers on ground despite the monsoon. The road up to the tunnel is being done and the tunneling work will start with tunnel boring machines expected to come by October 2025. Once completed, this 11-kilometer long tunnel will cut travel time between Thane and Borivali from 90 minutes to just 15 minutes, all this while passing silently beneath the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. This is just the beginning of faster and smarter Mumbai.